Before, to make a flipbook, all you needed was a pen and a top of paper. But nowadays, flipbooks are a little bit different. If you're already using InDesign or Canva for creating your visual materials, or Acrobat for creating PDFs, then you're one step closer to creating your first flipbook. First, let's talk about the tool that we're going to use, Flipsnack, which is the most advanced flipbook maker available on the market, literally used by millions of people and businesses all around the world. So I'll head over to flipsnack.com and sign into my account. If you have a PDF file, just upload it into Flipsnack. The great thing about flipbooks is that they are interactive, so you can display all sorts of engaging elements. In my case, I'll go into the online design studio and add a few slideshows to my pages. I just drag this into my design and then upload my photos to it. While we're here, I'll also add a few videos to keep my audience engaged. Again, I just upload these and drag them into my design. And why not a few GIFs to spice things up? And that's it. My flipbook is now ready to go. But I want to personalize the experience a bit more for my readers in the Customize section. For example, I will brand my flipbook with my brand colors and my logo. And now, after these finishing touches, it's ready to be shared. I'll just pick one of the multiple publishing options. In this case, I want it to be shared privately, with specific people only. Just remember that this is a quick how-to video. Flipsnack offers many other features and tools that help bring your flipbooks to the next level. For a more detailed look, please go to our website or check some of our other YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.